For companies with complex drug delivery programs, partnering with Stevanato Group brings the highest integration of knowledge, experience, and manufacturing capability within the industry. Our products and capabilities can be accessed independently or as a full package for the ultimate one-stop shop experience. From glass containers through to commercial manufacturing and regulatory support, you can now outsource your drug delivery activities to a single company. During our 70-year history, we have evolved from a glass processor to a fully integrated contract manufacturer, enabling our clients to deliver safe and effective treatments to patients every day. Let's dive deeper into some of our capabilities. Glass plays a crucial role in drug delivery devices. By continually pursuing excellence in the forming process, we have become a leading producer of high-value, high-quality primary packaging. EZ-fill containers are now the market standard reference for aseptic manufacturing due to their compatibility with fill-finish equipment and their performance when combined with devices. We offer standard or customized formats based on your drug specifications. Over the years, we have amassed an exceptional amount of information about glass containers and delivery solutions. SG Lab is the repository for this knowledge. From drug container interactions to device testing, our in-depth analytical services can help inform and guide your development process. Additionally, Stevanato Group has invested significantly in scalable manufacturing capabilities for devices such as auto-injectors, pen injectors, wearables, and inhalers. This includes tool design, injection molding, metrology, and assembly within FDA-inspected facilities and an ISO 13485 certified quality system. We also offer customizable automation platforms for subassembly, final assembly, or packaging lines that are adaptable and fully scalable to production demands. All these services are available regardless if the project is based on internal or external IP. Our goal is simple: offer manufacturing readiness, professional project management, and speed to market for all of our customers. Stevanato Group, integrated solutions for pharma and healthcare.